Hey guys, right, welcome to another episode. Right, I'm going to do a copper melt again today. So I've got this here, and this is what I've stripped so far. That actually weighs 8 kilos. That's actually pretty heavy. Give you an idea. It's a fair bit of copper in there. And this thing is friggin' brilliant. If you can get one of these, I'll show you in a minute what it does. Alrighty, you hold this on and it turns on. Don't put your finger in there, that will cut your finger off. So you can see that. Look at that, brilliant. Okay guys, that's all the copper that I've got out of those cables. Alright, let's melt this down. I've just dropped some little MIG tips in there. I don't know if you can see it, but they're starting to melt just to top it off. Alright, I just had a little part of my wall in my kiln has fallen into the crucible, so it's going to be a bloody mess. So I'm going to try and do this quickly. a little bit of a disaster. Can see what I mean with the bloody little bricky things in there. It's cooling down pretty quick. Alright, you can see it's boiling, look at that, it's bloody boiling. I'll show you my kiln in a minute. Alright, here we go. Oh, fuck. Alright. Look at that little beauty. Look at that beautiful beauty. I love it when I love watching them cool down. Oh, it's all bulgy in the middle there. Look at that. I've never had it do that before. I'm going to stand back a bit. It's going bulgy a bit. I don't know what's happening. Not sure what that is. I have a feeling. That's the brickwork. Oh, it's solidified in there. It's solidified in there. There you go, look at that. I have a feeling some of that brick was in there. And have a look at this disaster. Look at that, that's what happened. Bloody fell in there. I knew it would destroy it this time. So we'll replace all the bricks at this time, next time. There you go. Anyway, look at that. It's a bit odd with that. The brick tried to rise into it. There you go. All right, when it cools down a little bit, we'll quench it, and then we'll sand it up and see if we can sand that high-rise bit. So we can sand that bit up. I reckon it's the brickwork in it. So I was aiming for a 3 kilo ingot today, but it's turned into a bit of a disaster a little bit. Not to worry. All right. Just gonna move it over to the bucket. Sorry for the moving. Mind you, it is pretty bloody heavy. I'm just going to put it completely right in, just in case something happens with these bricks. There you go. Look at that. Wonder how much that weighs. Alright, we'll let it cool down and we'll get the sander out and have a little sand. Alright, on, let's have a look. Look at that. I suppose every ingot's unique, isn't it? Alright, we'll clean it up, give it a quick sand, and then we'll weigh it. So we'll get it in grams. Is it grams? Yep. .8 kilos, or 63.7 ounces. 63.5 ounces. So there you go. Yep. Or 1.8 kilos. There you go. There you go, guys. Oh, there you go. I'm probably not going to do another melt for another year now. I'm going to fix that up during summer, and then we'll get back on the caravan, working on the caravan. But anyway, there you go. There's a nice hunk of copper there. I might even polish it up later and we'll stamp them, and I'll show you my collection that I've actually got later on. Alright guys, cheers, catch you later.